Hi, I'm Dr. Mandakini Chopra, Senior Physiotherapist and a Pregnancy Fitness Expert. I welcome you all on this informative series of CryoViva for would-be moms. So pregnancy is a bliss. It actually lands up, say, from 37 to 40 weeks. But what we ideally say is at least it should cross 38 to 40 weeks. Now, if I say pregnancy, it's basically divided into three stages. First is your first trimester, second trimester and third trimester. First trimester lands from 1 week to 12 weeks. Second trimester lands from 13 weeks to 26 weeks. And the third trimester lands from 27 to 40 weeks. Now, since this is coming up with a lot of hormonal shift in a female's body, so yes, it comes with a lot of symptoms, right? Now, that could be morning sickness, which is very, very common in first trimester. You can have mood swings, fatigue, insomnia, you can also have breathlessness, etc. Also, because you're going in through breast changes and you're also going through postural changes, you may also land up in having aches and pains in your body, maybe joint pains, maybe swelling up of your limbs, etc. Now, how to deal with all this, right? That is the tip that I'm going to talk about today. First, what I say is you need to eat healthy, right? You need to have good fruits, salads, fiber in your diet. Cut down on excess carbohydrates. Go for a high protein diet. Of course, when you go for a high protein, you have to connect with your medical advisor who can tell you what kind of diet you can go through, but these are the baselines, right? You need to cut down on any kind of extra sugars. You cannot cut down on any kind of extra salts. Now, extra salts, sometimes, you feel like having pickles, you need to feel like having papad, etc. Cut it. You can actually also, you need to cut it on excess fruit juices. You can take vegetable juices, but no fruit juices. Okay, now the next thing I want to talk about is how to prevent your aches and pains or morning sickness or your breathlessness issues. That can be sorted out with a lot of exercises and yoga. International guidelines, as per the international guidelines, what is suggested is that you need to exercise for at least thrice in a week. That should be good enough. At least twice or thrice, that should be good. You need to have good sleep. So for that, you need to meditate, right? And of course, I want to give you a quick tip that watch on your weight gain. The ideal weight gain that is suggested is 10 to 12 kgs. It should be the ideal weight gain that you should have. So focus that you don't go overboard on your weight, which will definitely be controlled by the earlier tips that I just gave. Just stay tuned. We'll be doing some quick exercises which can deal up with your morning sickness, with your breathing issues. Stay tuned.